Okay, focus. Thing is going as per scheduled.
A few inches later. One extremely annoying shift later.
Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Prakriti. I hope you guys are doing all well. So since morning you have seen me filming for the Swiss Beauty Select ka video. After that I had to shoot for 4 more videos for my channel. Those are the organic content that are going to be posted on my channel. So I almost shot like 5 to 6 videos. So I'm doing so because I do have a lot of target to fulfill by this week, because I am aiming to shoot almost like 14 reels slash shorts for my own channel, and also there are the brands shorts that I'm not including right here. I'm so scared of my own to-do list by this time now, but I need to do that because I think I will be going for a trip soon, which is in July probably. I'm just aiming, so I need to just back up all my contents and all, so that when I am out there, there's a lot of content for my channel to be posted on. And yeah, that's what the aim is. And also I have taken a challenge on Instagram. If you don't follow me on Instagram, please do, because I've taken a challenge to grow and document my journey. From now I have currently 700 followers to 700 followers to 10k followers, how my journey goes, and I will document and try to achieve that target within the next. So today is 2nd of June, so let me see how this challenge goes, because I often make myself uncomfortable situations so that I can work hard. Otherwise, if you do not have a target, you do not have a goal to achieve, sometimes your pace becomes slower than usual, because you can do much more. So it's just a push from me to myself rather. So no one is telling me to do that, and I'm not that crazy for numbers, but it is something I'm taking it as a challenge, nothing else. So I have thought a lot about it. I have strategized the whole thing, and just it's the time to execute now, because I have thought and left, right and center on this particular thing, that should I do or not, because ये तो मेरा vision board में कब से था, लेकिन this year I'm very serious about the fact. And so let me see how it goes and how my journey goes in the next 90 days, where I am. Even if I can achieve half, I will be grateful, because that will prove that yes, I can strategize things and do according to the plan. Let's see how it goes. And that is that. Now it's 5 o'clock, like 5, and I will just complete some editing wala task, and after that I will be going for my evening work, and coming back I will carry on with the rest of the day, because I have a lot of adulting stuffs to do, because today is 2nd of June and I need to do lot of back-end work as well. So yeah.
One debt to society later.
Okay, so I'm catching you guys after really long. I came back from my evening walk, had my tea, and after that I sat for editing. Also, I had to renew my editing का software क्योंकि उसका subscription over हो गया था. I take monthly subscription, so I paid for that. वो सब हो गया, and now I'm editing. Since then, I actually filmed organic content के लिए मैंने एक टी कॉन्सेप्ट का किया, फिर 4 मेरा खुद का वीडियो आई फिल्म. सो ऑल ऑफ दैट फुटेजेस एंड एवरीथिंग आई वाज कलेक्टिंग, गैदरिंग, एंड हाउ आई विल एडिट वो भी मैंने फिगर आउट कर लिया. तो वो सब फुटेजेस एंड दोज थिंग्स आई सॉर्टेड इट आउट. एंड द मेन थिंग दैट आई हैव टू डू इज़ दैट मुझे ये स्विस ब्यूटी का these are their from Swiss Beauty Select. Basically these are their newly launched lipstick. मुझे नहीं पता ये कब launch हुआ, but they sent them to try, and oh my god, this lipstick is so pigmented. I have tried it for the shoot and it pretty decent, I tell you. These are so pigmented, creamy. I will put a dedicated video up on, you know, soon or later maybe on my channel after using them thoroughly. But first impressions, so good, so pigmented, and definitely if you are a bullet lipstick girl, you have to try these lipsticks. They are so beautiful. I got 3 shades from theirs, so that's what I did, and I need to send this video edit करके कल परसों या कभी भी वो ब्रांड को भेजना है, तो वो करना है. और few things I need to do as well, so that is pretty much of Monday. बहुत काम कर लिया. कल मुझे एक बहुत ही तगड़ा रील बना के पोस्ट करना होगा इंस्टाग्राम में, जिसमें आई स्टेट माई होल जर्नी, बिकॉज दैट्स व्हाट आई एम डॉक्यूमेंटिंग ऑन इंस्टाग्राम. सो डू फॉलो देयर सो टू नो what it is, my journey to 10k from 700 followers right now I have. So yeah, that's the thing. Let me work on it. If I start thinking of कि कैसे होगा, क्या होगा, कैसे होगा तो मैंने फिगर आउट कर लिया. अब कब होगा and will that plan will be executed properly or not, that is what I have to see, and we will all see. So yeah, I stay tuned to know what my strategy is basically. So yeah. Oh, I forgot to tell you all that I'm having fever right now, and उतना ज़्यादा नहीं है, but I do have sore throat and a little bit of temperature as well. So I found the most warmest place in the whole flat itself. तो वही मतलब मैं मेरे वार्डरोब के जस्ट नीचे में बैठी हूँ अभी, क्योंकि बाहर सब जगह हर जगह एसी का हवा मुझे बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं आ रहा है. I can't function. So this is the warmest place in my room, that too in a corner, because it feels like if I go in the hall, it feels like it's centrally AC, and I can't be here. So that's why pretty much the update. Headache though obviously I do have. That's it.
The next morning.
Okay, hello everyone. So today is Tuesday. Today is Tuesday 3rd, and I'm done with all my shoots. Woke up really early in the morning, completed everything. Now it's 3 o'clock, so डन विद अ वेरी प्रोडक्टिव डे बैक एंड पे. और मुझे जो इंस्टाग्राम के लिए भी इंट्रोडक्शन वाला वीडियो शूट करना था वो भी हो गया. सो नाउ आई विल सिट डाउन, ट्रांसफर ऑल द फुटेजेस, एंड आई विल एडिट. I think there's a lot of redness on my lips right now because I did a lot of swatches on my lips and it's all swollen up, reddish and whatnot. Also, so I applied this lip balm from Wishkers. This is the pigmented lip balm from theirs. How do I do? Wait. Yeah, this is a lip balm I applied to treat my chapped lips, and it has this lightest tint. That's what I like, and also hydrate my lips now that the AC is on. And little bit about my health updates better, though I have some cold and cough. So yeah, that's the update. Now I will edit. I'm very intrigued to see how the footages has come, and also I do need to do the voiceover, so that's I'm a little bit of scared because how it will come. My nose is blocked, and yeah, we will find it out. So let's see how it goes.
6.5 hours later.
Hello everyone. I don't remember exactly where I left you all, but definitely did a lot of work after and wherever I have left you, because I don't know what's the time now. Definitely it's more than 10. I already had my lunch, finished my last work. I need to I had to send one video for editing. Uska maine voice over karke I sent it to Alfie, and let's see how she does it, because it's gonna be very important, you know, introduction reel for my challenge to 10k wala that is going to be live on Instagram very soon. And let's see how it goes. I do have certain vision I shared with her, and she's very creative as such, so let's see how she does it, if she understands the assignment or not. So I'm hopeful in that way. And after that, while I was having lunch, I just started watching the IPL finale, because you know I am a huge fan of Bhuvneshwar Kumar. I used to have this movie का वो जो कार्ड नहीं आता था, प्ले कार्ड, in my क्या बोलते हैं उसको, मनी बैग के जो मतलब वॉलेट में मैं रखती थी. आई वॉज दैट क्रेजी फैन ऑफ मूवी. एंड when I heard in this year that he is going to play for RCB, I was like, I don't know if there is any hope of winning, because जब वो सनराइजर्स में थे तो I used to follow. And yeah, and in general also I was not getting time to, why am I like this? Okay, I'm not getting any time to see match as well. So this is the first match in this whole tournament that why am I slanting? Okay, so basically this is the first match that I'm watching today, that too the grand finale one. And I just saw 3 wickets down. And I'm like, oh my god, there's a lot of hope. Also, I do need to put a video as well. Today's video abhi tak nahi gaya because I was so occupied. Tomorrow I do have a very important meeting with this brand that I'm working with for some time now, and I'm really hopeful. Let's see how that goes. So it's between the work hour time itself in the first half, so 2 या 3 बजे I do have to check. So the brand people will be there, so let's see how the meeting goes. I'm very excited for that as well. And yeah, also tomorrow I'm studying. I will be posting for that challenge wala thing that I have to now, that how I reach 10k by, you know, the end of this year. I have strategized, I do have the knowledge that how I will do, but it's all up to you guys. Will you accept it or not? And how it goes, I have to see. But if I don't start, I won't be reaching that one. If I ask for the universe, I know universe listens. So I am a believer of manifestation. So let's give it a try. Let's see, because मैं hard work करने से बिल्कुल नहीं डरती हूँ. So it's worth giving a try. So very much worth. Manifestation and sheer hard work is key to everything right there then. So let's see how it goes. So now I will watch the match. I will try to upload this really a short video that I will try to do, and let's see, and we will call it a day. It was a very productive day. So yeah, that's it for the day, I guess. So I will catch you soon, and tomorrow is a very important day for me. Oh my god. Oh my god.
पहले सीजन के पहले मुकाबले में कोलकाता नाइट राइडर्स के खिलाफ पहली बार इस जर्सी को पहना था, और अब ट्रॉफी उठा के कह सकते हैं वो एक IPL चैंपियन है.
The next day.
Okay, so good morning. I already sat for today's work and everything is going as per scheduled. So yeah, I will do this and this to brand. And yeah, currently I'm editing. Actually, I'll be doing the voiceover, so for that I sat now. So I will complete it and send it right away, then we will proceed with rest of the work. So okay, so today is Wednesday, 4th of June, and it's not at all funny. I'm not getting sleep because my mind is so occupied these days. I'm happy, but this weekend I will try to sleep like properly, without thinking कि सुबह उठ के मुझे कौन से ब्रांड को क्या सेंड करना है, and without thinking कि one meeting I need to attend. I really need to do that because I am working non-stop without any break. I do not really take any day holiday. I used to do that a month back probably, but last kuch dinos I'm not getting anything as such because I live at home and घर से ही मैं काम करती हूँ. So मुझे लगता है एक डे ऑफ लेके क्या होगा. Obviously I'm already at enough luxury of living at home. I do not have to do much of a task घर का जो भी होता है, just except to maintain myself, my room and everything. I get food on time and everything is I'm lucky enough to have. But yeah, but I think work wise I thought ki I can push it, but now I can't. I have to segregate steps. Yeah.
Much later.
Hello everyone. So today is Thursday and I came home. So basically I was just cleaning the room and everything and didn't do much of a productive work. But कुछ brand इनके तरफ से मुझे deadlines था वो that I complete. मेरे चैनल के लिए things are getting very delayed. Although I had a long shoot for this entire week that was planned, but yeah, weekends पे I had other tasks to do. But now that I come, I will enjoy. Also have to post the vlog and hopefully tomorrow I will post one video too because मेरा sit down videos are not going. I'm very upset with that. Not getting any freelancers or editors to send because the person I work with, she is also very busy, so I cannot really stress her because yeah, you know how that works. I cannot do that, and it also need a lot of creative demand. So if she is occupied, I just don't want to just throw it ki kar do. Obviously she has tasks to finish like I do have my plans. So yeah, let's see. I'm doing myself everything, lots on my plate right now, and yeah, that's pretty much of the update. It's 9:13 currently. Now I will just complete the edits and things that I need to do ताकि मैं tomorrow morning I can shoot all the b-rolls and put it live because I cannot delay anymore.
The next morning.
Hello everyone. Can you all see me? Like, yeah, it's so beautiful. Sunlight came after so many days. Also ऐसा होता था कि फ्लैट में sunlight मिलता है सिर्फ balcony में जाके. The rooms are very lit and all, but ऐसे direct sunlight नहीं मिलता है. So I'm just enjoying. Since morning I have only edited the stuff, so I didn't vlog because what to show you all. I was vlogging the whole time. So yeah, just had some lunch and I will carry on with vlogging and editing Sunday's vlog and maybe 1 or 2 videos because sit down videos are not going great. So I will focus on that because the person who edit my videos, she's very busy now and I cannot just give her because she has her own tasks to fulfill like I have to. So let's see how it goes. And also I'm not getting any freelancers to work with that I can really rely on. So let's see how all that goes. So that's it for this vlog. I will carry on with vlogging for the next week as well. That's what I'm doing. I'm doing the weekly vlogs and I'm pretty much enjoying it. So yeah, so we will see. So I will see you all in next week. Probably I will be going out for shopping as well. I will take you all, and that's it for this vlog. I will see you all super soon in my next vlog. Till then, I love you all so very much. Bye.